Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Ultrasonic bird repellers can be more effective than visual deterrents, especially in areas where birds have become accustomed to visual methods. Ultrasonic devices emit sounds that are unpleasant to birds, encouraging them to move elsewhere. However, effectiveness can vary depending on the bird species and environment. For best results, combining both ultrasonic and visual deterrents often provides a more robust solution to bird problems.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.